Welcome to the future of leisurely and business travel. Let us introduce you to the ultimate travel buddy in the form of an travel planning tool. In 2024, the race for the best travel companion has been won by TripMaster, a revolutionary AI-powered app that transforms the intricate process of planning travels into an experience of utter simplicity and delightful possibilities. Why juggle between numerous apps for flights, hotels, car rentals, and tourist attractions when you can have it all in one place? TripMaster, with its superior AI, untangles the complexity of travel planning by offering tailored recommendations based on your preferences. It syncs with your calendar, predicts weather, suggests best times to visit, books flights and hotels, takes care of local transit, and even recommends local delicacies to try. TripMaster's superior personalization algorithm continually learns from your travel style, preferences, and feedback. The app evolves with you, providing curated travel experiences with an unmatched level of personalization. Whether you love adventurous escapades, serene retreats, or vibrant city tours, this AI tool has got you covered. Behind TripMaster's user-friendly interface and promising features lies a robust AI engine. This tool continually updates real-time information, ensuring accuracy and reliability. It seamlessly integrates various travel components and prides itself on its error-free operation, giving you peace of mind for your travels. In the era of digital nomads, why remain tangled in the web of chaotic travel planning? Experience the future of travel planning today with TripMaster. As the best travel planning tool in 2024, it guarantees a seamless, personalized, and effortless travel experience with just a simple touch on your screen.